Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the work area safe and reachable, remove plates and protect floors. Once done, score the wallpaper border with a lightweight scoring tool to let solution penetrate. You want tiny perforations, not deep cuts. This avoids damaging drywall. Mix warm water with a few drops of dish soap or wallpaper remover per label instructions. Use a spray bottle for even coverage. Apply generously and wait a few minutes so the adhesive softens before you proceed to peel. You now focus on releasing the paper. Spray or sponge solution on the scored area and give it time to soak. Once the paste softens, start at a corner or seam and use a flexible putty knife to lift. Pull the paper back at a low angle to reduce tearing. If the paper resists, re-wet the spot and wait longer. Patience saves the wall. Work in manageable sections of about 2 to 3 feet so the adhesive stays wet while you peel steadily and evenly. You finish by removing remaining paste and small bits with warm water and a sponge. For stubborn residue, use an adhesive remover following instructions. Once dry, inspect the drywall, sand roughness lightly and fill nicks or gouges with spackling compound, then sand smooth. Make sure the surface is clean and fully dry because primer won't bond to tacky paste. If you run into problems, like paper tearing into tiny fragments,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.